Hello and welcome. My name is Vic Marie. Welcome to my channel. For today's 10-minute flow, we're going to be taking a feisty sun salutation with a bit of dancer peppered in. So when you're ready, we're going to come to the top of your space, having the feet about hip-width apart, the soft knees to begin with. Just beginning to roll the shoulders away from the ears, shoulder blades coming down the rib cage. And softening or closing the eyes. Just beginning to ground down with the feet. Inhaling, we're going to begin to take the arms up overhead. Gaze can follow if you'd like. Arms wide or maybe taking a bind. We're going to begin to roll up onto the balls of the feet. Wobbling is fully expected. Beginning to release the heels, softening and folding down. Halfway lift. And fold. We're going to plant the hands. We're stepping back to your plank pose. High or foundational. You can always come down onto the knees if you like. We're going to come into forelimb. So beginning to press into the balls of the feet. Elbows coming in towards the chest. And then we'll begin to roll over into upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Beginning to take the gaze forward, walking, stepping or hopping the feet to the hands, forward fold. Inhaling the arms up overhead. Beginning to roll back up onto the balls of the feet, lifting the heels. Releasing the heels, swan diving, forward fold. Planting the hands, stepping back to our plank. Beginning to push into the balls of the feet, bending the elbows, and then flipping to your upward dog. Rolling over to your downward dog. And taking the gaze forward, walking, stepping or hopping. Feet to the hands, forward fold. Inhaling the arms up overhead. Beginning to come on to the balls of the feet. Gently releasing the heels, forward fold. Planting the hands, we're stepping back with our left leg. Runner's lunge. Beginning to pivot that left foot. We're going to come into a warrior dog. You're going to keep your legs exactly where they are. We're going to begin to take these hands on the inside of that right foot. You can stay quite close. You might take the arms out. We can begin to come onto a forearm. Your choice. We're going to begin to come into a rainbow lunge. So either walking the hands a little bit closer to that right foot, beginning to straighten that right leg as we begin to bend the left. So some of us might stay quite high, rolling the shoulders back. Or you might begin to come down, bending, bringing that left sit bone to the heel. Right toes are going up towards the sky. Fingertips can stay in contact with the earth. You might take the hand to the thigh or to the heart. When ready, we're going to begin to release. We're coming back to our runner's lunge. Beginning to bend that right knee as we pivot the left. We're stepping back to our plank pose. Beginning to press forward, bending the elbows, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Taking the gaze forward, walking, stepping or hopping, forward fold. Inhaling the arms up. And beginning to come up onto the balls of the feet. Exhaling, releasing the heels, hinging at the waist, forward fold. Planting the hands, stepping back with our right leg this time. We're going to repeat this on the other side, so beginning to pivot that right foot. Left hand's coming onto the inside of that left foot, or downward dog arms, taking the gaze back. We're going to begin to transition to your rainbow lunge, so beginning to straighten that left leg, staying high, or beginning to release the hands down. Your choice, fingertips in contact with the earth, thigh, or hands to prayer. Wherever you are, beginning to release, we're coming back to your runner's lunge. Stepping back to our plank. Coming onto the balls of the feet, bending the elbows, and then upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. 3 rounds of breath here. We're going to begin to take our gaze forward. We're going to take baby steps, taking the feet to the middle of our space. And then having the hands come to the feet, forward fold. Inhaling, taking the arms up overhead. And then we're going to take the hands down into the heart space. We're going to come into a dancer pose. So I'm going to begin to bring the weight into that right foot, lifting the left heel. And for some, we might stay right here. This might be enough. Or beginning to take that left foot to the sit bone. You're going to have a grip on the outside or maybe on the inside of the foot. Whoops. Right arm going up. Beginning to bend that right knee as we take that left foot into the hand. Right hand forward. If you're limited on space, you might grab the wall. Beginning to take that right hand back up towards the sky. Releasing the foot. We're going to take both arms up overhead. We're going to begin to lift the heels. Releasing the heels, softening the knees, forward fold. Halfway lift. And fold. We're coming back up to standing. Inhaling the arms up, taking the hands to the heart space. We're going to simply repeat this on the other side. So beginning to bring the weight into that left foot, lifting the right heel. Staying here, beginning to lift that right foot into the hand. Again, your choice of grip. Left arm going up, softening that left knee as we begin to kick. And you want to try to go for the horizon rather than coming down with that left hand. When ready, beginning to bring that left arm back up towards the sky. Releasing the right foot as we take both arms up overhead. Beginning to come back up onto the balls of the feet, lifting the heels. Releasing the heels, softening the hands down towards the feet. Halfway lift. And fold. We're going to begin to come back up to standing, inhaling the arms up. And then slowly taking the hands down into the heart space. Taking a few rounds of breath here. Maybe feeling the heartbeat against the thumbs. And gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. Thank you for sharing this 10-minute practice with me. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, check out the playlist in the description, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.